Talk about the places they've been.
Kabago-bago yun na ano.
Sweethearts who felt
Huwag kayo siya tuloy ako. Ay, batay.
Bunga nga mo kasi dire-diretso.
about to know someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscence. Maybe this time
Yung pinaka-nakakabadag na buong araw ko dito. Sabi ko, ano ba? Sabi niya, hindi pwede. Sabi niya, hindi na pwede. Ano meron? Hindi niya ako pinapansin buong araw.
Hindi mo daw siya pinapansin mo ka. Hindi pinapansin.
Papansinin niya lang ako pag lalapit ako.
Diretso mo kayo sa kanya. Sanay ka lang. Nahihirapan ka pa mag-adjust.
Oo nga naman. Nasanay ka nga eh.
it's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real.
Kanino ka nagtampo?
Again,
Yun.
parang nerd lang ako kanina. Pati kayo. Eh, kayo na nga lang yung very close ko.
The flame is burning even brighter than
JM, it's for me. I thought we're homies, like real. I just want you to let you know that I'm very happy that we have some same humors, you know what I mean, haha. But like, I want to say sorry too, kasi I'm very clingy type of girl to the point that some people misunderstood my attitude. Thank you, but I think it's better na sinabi ko or sabihin ko to. For me, I promise it won't happen again.
Miss you, Fiang.
and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment.
Sobrang lawak ng mundo. Isipin mo, dito pa tayo nagkita. Oh. Di kaya tandaan na ito, no? Tayo talaga sa isa't isa. Naisip mo ba yun?